Hello and welcome back to another video and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you Qianli iCopy Plus 2.3 version and 6-in-1 models, which is that it's new version of the boards, but Qianli iCopy Plus hardware is still same. It's still 2.0 hardware, but 2.3, which is mean there are 6 new boards. 3 new boards, which is that Face ID, LCD and another LCD board I'm gonna show you in this video. We will open up the package now and we will check how it fit, which model this board and this board are supporting, which is that 2 new LCD boards, and there is a 1 Face ID board which is that supporting another many models. Let's open up the package and check together these new 3 boards. So here is our 6-in-1 version of the Qianli iCopy Plus. Here have a Face ID board, and Face ID board have 1 adapter. It's working together. This one is the US version. We have also Europe version. If you order from Europe, we will send the Europe type of it. And we have 2 new LCD board in here, and our base product Qianli iCopy Plus 3-in-1. With all together at 6-in-1. Let's open up the package. As like always, inside have a user manual. We also operation video in our YouTube channel. It's very nice box protection, and it's coming with another display board inside, which is supporting from the 7 to 11 PM series. Also you can fix the vibrator from in here. Also there is a 1 lightning board inside of the package for the check MF5 of the lightning board. And here is our base product Qianli iCopy Plus. Qianli iCopy Plus can support 3 languages: Chinese, English and Spanish. With 1 click you can change the language from here. This is the battery board. 6 to 14 PM. From 11 to 14 PM you must need to use Tacom Felix for read and write the batteries. Each Tacom Felix must be left inside of the non-original battery. If you don't leave it, it will be make you error message all the time. It will be an unsuccessful writing process. So you must need to order Tacom Felix from 11 to 14 PM batteries. Here is our new LCD board. This one need to be used with computer from QL software. It's supporting to 12 all models, 13 and 13 mini. You must need to use QL Helper for read and write. Also we have a PDF guide we will be shared in the description of the video. You must need to give power from here 1 ampere. Don't forget it. This is connection very well from here. You will connect from here. They changed here the type C now. It's type C, not the lightning cable anymore. And you must need the connection from the computer with QL Helper, this product, and also give 1 ampere power from here as like this. So it will be get power, but power must be 1 ampere. We have a PDF guide for this board. Please download in the description and you will understand more about it, how to use it. This is 13, 14, 15 Pro and Pro Max LCD board. This is very tiny board, useful for everyone. When you connect the board in here, and the software is also changing here. This one also need to be used by QL Helper software. We have a PDF guide too. You can check on the product description. You also must need to use from the computer from here, and this one 1 ampere you must need to give again from here. It must be used in this way. Please check the PDF guide about it, or you can contact us anytime. This one is the Face ID board. It's supporting from to XT 14 PM series. As you can see, it also changed Qianli Plus Face ID. There is a power adapter we will send you together. We have Europe and US version. You must need to also connect the computer from here to QR helper and use it for read and write process. You cannot just connect the Face ID here and process it. It's not working. You must need to also give power from here with this adapter, and you must need the connection to your computer with this product. This product software only works with the Windows computer. If you have a Mac, you must need to be use Windows. It will be not work with the Mac computer. Qianli iCopy Plus is 2.0 hardware. You must need to give 5 volt. Don't use mobile phone charger with this product. Mobile phone charger just killing this product and you will be burn your product. Only give power from the computer USB. Don't forget also this one. It's coming with the 6 boards, as you can see it, and we have it in our Aliexpress store. We are official store for Qianli products. If you have any question, don't forget to leave a comment. We will be reply you, or you can contact us from Aliexpress or from our email. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.